Avada Foundation, under its initiative of Utkarsh Shiksha Abhiyan, helped us organize 2 workshops at GLA University, one workshop for the students and one for the teachers. For the students, it was titled Be a Champion, Give Wings to Your Dreams. And for the teachers, it was Happiness Engineering, Teaching to Transforming Lives. Let me tell you, both the workshops were very inspiring. I usually say that an ordinary teacher tells, a good teacher explains, a superior teacher demonstrates, and a great teacher inspires. Dr. Arun Bhardwaj, who is an internationally acclaimed motivational speaker, comes under the category of great teachers. He actually spread the pearls of wisdom so generously that he gave opportunity to all the students and faculty members to collect as many as pearls as they wish. These 2 workshops are definitely life-changing workshop in my personal view. I attended both the workshops and was truly mesmerized by the way Dr. Arun Bhardwaj presented them and the way he gave. And it seems that Dr. Arun Bhardwaj has infinite treasure of these pearls of wisdom. I once again thank you, Dr. Arun Bhardwaj. Thank you.